Oh, hey, thanks for coming over. I can't wait to show you our new listing, 4655 Gravelly Hills Road. Come on in, I'll show you. It checks all the boxes. All right, so here I am in the kitchen, and I told you it checks all the boxes. Well, let me see how many boxes it checks for you. We're in a gourmet kitchen, check. It's got a pot filler on the stove, check. Eat-in kitchen with an island, check. How about the great room with the gas fireplace, check. Let's go to the primary suite. On the main level, huge walk-in closet with built-ins and washer-dryer connection. Let's go to the primary bath. It's got a huge corner jacuzzi tub, a great walk-in shower, double sinks. It's amazing. Want to talk bedrooms? We've got 2 additional bedrooms, both with en-suites on the main level. Both have walk-in closets, check, check, check. Upstairs, we've got an additional bedroom with its own primary bathroom and walk-in closet and washer dryer connection. Check. How about let's go outside? Do you want a pool? This one's got an amazing pool and entertainment deck. Check. Like to do stuff? Guess what? We've got a detached workshop, 3 full bays, an oversized area for the workshop. It's got a half bath now, but it's plumbed for a full bath, so you just put a shower and you're all set. This place is on over 3 acres. Check, check, check. There are so many checks, you're not going to believe it. So let's go check it out. right, now that you've checked it out, it's time to come see it in real life. Call your agent to schedule a showing or call me, Lainey Jones, 865-356-5003 or Eleanor Sipple, 865-712-3656. It's going to be your dream, so come see it now.